have assortments. They have some ones they make on their own. Oh, that cake is good. We're gonna go to the assortments and fun stuff. Hold on. Everything's fun when it comes to fireworks. QT. Crackling Kitty. Sponge Boy. Pyro Patrick. Tanks. Those ones are by Linda. Underdog. Alrighty. Oh wow, look at this fountain. Off the chain. Perfect name. Snow cone juniors. Single snow cones. Cuckoos. Great prices on everything. Get in here. What are you doing? All your novelties. Oh, here's the Baby Yoda. I can't remember the name. Wise one. I don't know the price on that. I guarantee you it's under 20 bucks, probably 17, 18 bucks. USA Smoke $3.99. Showtime Smoke Assortment $5.99. The cabins. Whole bunch of singles. For great prices. Dancing Butterfly, Jack in the Box, Speedballs. And you can get cases of everything as well. Oh yeah. What'd I tell you? Under 20 bucks. Unicorns, $11.99. Koi Pond, Nemo.